Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my lecture number 8 for class 10th chemistry. Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is acids, bases and salt. So dear students, in this video I am going to discuss baking soda, method of preparation of baking soda, properties of baking soda and uses of baking soda. So now chemical name of baking soda. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate and chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3 and common name for sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. Now method of preparation. Sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda is prepared on a large scale by reacting a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride called brine with ammonia and carbon dioxide. So dear students, formula of sodium chloride is Na, ammonia is NH3, water is H2O and carbon dioxide is CO2. When all these substances react, then sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride is formed. Once again dear students, when sodium hydrogen carbonate is prepared, hydrogen carbonate is prepared on large scale by reacting a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride. When cold and concentrated sodium chloride react with ammonia and carbon dioxide, then sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda or baking soda and ammonium chloride is formed. Now properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate consists of white crystals which are sparingly soluble in water. So dear students, sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda is white crystal which is sparingly soluble in water. And one more properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate is a mild, non-corrosive base. The solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate in water is mildly alkaline. And third properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate is when sodium hydrogen carbonate heated, then it decomposes into sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide and H2O. So when solid sodium hydrogen carbonate or its solution is heated, then it decomposes to give sodium carbonate with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Now uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid. Students, you know already, antacid means anti-acid. Antacid is a base. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid means base in medicine to remove acidity of the stomach. When excess acid forms in our stomach due to excess or overeating, that very acid gives me pain. For removing that very pain, we use a tablet of antacid. An antacid tablet is made by sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in making baking powder, used in making cakes, breads, etc. And dear students, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or you can say baking soda, is also used in fire extinguishers. Bleaching powder. Chemical formula for bleaching powder is CaOCl Cl2, or you can also say CaOCl2. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, and common name of calcium oxychloride is bleaching powder. Preparation of bleaching powder. Dear students, bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime, or you can say when chlorine gas passes through direct slaked lime, then bleaching powder and water is formed. So formula for slaked lime is CaOH ka whole twice and bleaching powder CaOCl2. Now properties of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is a white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine. Bleaching powder is a white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine. And second property is bleaching powder is soluble in cold water. Bleaching powder is soluble in cold water. The small insoluble portion always left behind in the lime present in it. Bleaching powder reacts with dilute acid to produce chlorine. When bleaching powder is treated with an excess of dilute acid, all the chlorine present in it is liberated. So dear students, when bleaching powder means CaOCl2 react with excess dilute acid, here we use sulfuric acid. So when calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder react with excess dilute sulfuric acid, then it gives calcium sulfate, chlorine gas and water. Now usage of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry and for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. Bleaching powder is also used for disinfecting drinking water supply, that is for making drinking water free from germs. So dear students, use of bleaching powder is very large. On large scale, bleaching powder is used in our daily life. Bleaching powder is used for the manufacture of chloroform. Formula for chloroform is CHCl3. Bleaching powder is also used for preparing chloroform. And bleaching powder is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. So dear students, you know oxidizing agent in previous class chapter. Oxidizing agent, those substances which oxidize others and reduce itself, is called reducing agent. And many chemical industries, bleaching powder is used as oxidizing agents. Thank you, students. Next matter about this chapter I will discuss in next video. Thank you.